Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Trivandrum location. It is from Kerala. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for customer relationship officer position. It is from Ecology Solutions Private Limited for Thiruvananthapuram location. Coming to roles and responsibilities, as a CRO, the candidates have to deal with old age people through online and to support the healthcare team in providing and assisting the patient with his or her care needs in collaboration with all healthcare providers. And job duties include answering incoming phone calls in a timely and efficient manner, and schedules and coordinates appointments in the practice, and management system for patients and clinical staff in the practice management system. And the candidates should possess excellent skills in MS Office for documentation, and in addition with will provide information, directions, and any other assistance to physicians, patient, family, customers, and vendors. So these are the roles and responsibilities. And for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available in the description in the video, so you can have a look on that once. Next one, there is a job opening for civil site supervisor position. So it is from Fresh Air Enterprise Private Limited for Thiruvananthapuram location, Kerala. So coming to job description, you need to manage the workers and coordinate with the workers and arrange the material, supervise the activities, and ensure the project is completed within the time period. So interested candidates, you can contact immediately with the given given organization. So for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit on the official website link. It will be provided in the description in the video, so you can have a look on that description once. Next one, there is a job opening for marketing intelligence executive position. So it is from Air Populi Technologies Private Limited located in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So coming to job responsibilities, working hours will be 8 hours per day. So it is from Monday to Friday, and Sunday 2 hours are there. And you should be having excellent communication skills in English, both in written and verbal. And you need to fetch and follow more ads from FB, IZ, and other platforms, and share it on their marketing app, FB and group and IZ. And daily minimum 20 new ads in each category should be posted, and ensure all categories have minimum 20 valid offer ads per day and 40 ads in the supermarket category. And you need to create brand posts every third day, twice a week, and post weekly blogs, minimum one post a week, and ensure the app is running every day. And if you find any issues with the app, you need to share them in the WhatsApp group with the proper screenshots, and social media links to be updated in a common shared Excel or Google Sheet. And you need to send marketing emails to minimum 20 business accounts a week. And you please check with the other responsibilities provided here. And for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available in the description, so you can have a look on once for the website link to apply for this marketing intelligence executive position. Next one, there is a job opening for data entry with accounts background. So it is from Swan Global for Thiruvananthapuram location. So you should be having 1 year of experience, and also the candidates must have knowledge in Tally to apply for this position. And if you want to apply for this position, you can visit on the official website link available in the description. So you can have a look on that description once. Next one, there is a job opening for a graphic designer trainee position. So it is from SRS Web Solutions Inc. for Thiruvananthapuram location, Kerala. So coming to job responsibilities, you should be having knowledge in photo or video editing, designing, and the candidates willing to work in evening or rotational shift will be preferable. And the candidates should be having good communication skills in English in both verbal and written, and good knowledge in Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe After Effects, and Adobe Animate, Adobe Insight. And qualification will be diploma in graphic design. So these are the education qualification details. And for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit on the official website link available in the description. Next one, there is a job opening for content writer position. It is from Shell Square Softwares LLP. It is from Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So coming to duties and responsibilities, you need to write blog, guide and website copy to help drive organic growth and collaborate on creating a focused SEO strategy for content including keyword research and researching new topics to find unique insights that provide their readers with new useful information and advice. And coming to content writer requirements and skills, you should be having minimum about 2 years of experience in creating content and link building in a B2B technology company, and proven track record of writing with experience in making complex topics understandable and engaging, and ability to write across multiple mediums, blogs, long form customer stories, web, email and social, and self starter with strong work ethic and ability to work independently while also knowing when to ask for help. And you need to be having a strong editing and proofreading skills and also total command of the rules of grammar. So these are the requirements and the skills details. And for and for more detailed information about this job opening, and I'm going to provide the website link for your reference to apply for this position. So you can have a look on the description once for the website link to apply for this content writer position. Next one, that is the job opening for data scientist position. It is from Cultural Legends Private Limited. It is from Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So they are hiring data scientists for their partner. So to apply for this position, you should be having 2 to 4 years of experience. And coming to responsibilities and duties, building a data infrastructure to have a holistic view on the data ecosystem and develops data clusters for programmatic audience marketing and responsible for data segmentation. The data scientist will work in a team to get the best out of data for their business and find unseen patterns and derive meaningful information for business decisions, analyzing, compiling, cleaning, interpreting, joining, and staging data, and partner with analytics and engineering teams to develop tools and foundational data sets for consumption from technical and non-technical stakeholders, and delivering business intelligence and data visualization dashboard solutions. And the candidate should be a SQL expert, must be able to optimize queries and join data sets efficiently, and proven track record of performing comprehensive analysis independently and synthesize large volumes of data and complex concepts into a clear accessible learnings. And you need to prepare and present data science results and analytical insights to stakeholders and leadership. So these are the responsibilities and duties. And for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit on the official website link, and I am going to provide that link in the description for your reference, so you can have a look on the description once for the website link. Next one, there is a job opening for channel sales officer position. It is from DTDC Express Limited for Thiruvananthapuram location, Kerala. So coming to responsibilities, you should be responsible for achieving channel budget through channel partner and to extend support to them. And you need to give support to CP to reach sales target, and also monitor franchisee office standard in line with company's branding policy, and franchisee development, network upkeep and impatient. And excellent, coming to excellent skill set, you should be having good communication skills, convincing ability, interpersonal relation and desirable skill set will be. And you should be having experience in a courier industry, and you should be having any graduate with a minimum 3 to 4 years of experience in career industry. So these are the some of the details, so you please go through with the information provided here, and for more detailed information you can visit on the official website link, and I am going to provide that link in the description for your reference, so you can have a look on the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for manual tester position. It is from Vidu Digital Private Limited for Thiruvananthapuram location. So to apply for this position, you should be having excellent working skills in manual testing, and you should be having 3 to 4 years of experience. So coming to skills or experience details, the candidate must have experience in manual testing and good knowledge on test case preparation, review and execution, defects review and management, black box testing, and reviewing and analyzing system specifications and executing test scripts and reviewing results, and reporting and documenting technical issues, good knowledge of SDLC, software testing lifecycle, SDLC and different testing methodologies, and well versed with usability, GUI, functional system, regression and smoke or sanity testing, and you should be having knowledge of Java programming language and also knowledge of writing and executing SQLs, and testing experience on web and mobile applications, and also experience of API or performance testing. So these are the experience and other skills details, and you please go through with the information provided here. And for more detailed information, you can visit on the official website link, and I'm going to provide that link in the description for your reference, so you can have a look on the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for solutions architect position. It is from Cognify Technologies from Thiruvananthapuram location, Kerala. So you please go through with the responsibilities provided here, and for more detailed information and to apply for this position, you can have a look on the description for the website link, and you can visit on the official website link, and it will be available in the description. And that's it in this video, guys. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and also subscribe the channel for more updated videos, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.